What is up, friends? Right now, taking out some garbage. And we're gonna go to Andy's new shop. Will she start? Impressive. Wow.
Wanna follow me there?
Sure. There's Andrew.
Why are you wearing shorts, dude? It's gonna be cold as hell in there.
Cause I'm always warm, buddy boy. Drift cart.
No. Way.
Suka. Boyat.
Climb in there Dukes of Hazzard style and sit where the seats be and then just examine the boat front end.
Gooks a hazard or Dukes a hazard?
Dukes.
Okay.
Because the door won't open all the way because the front tire's flat.
You are so stupid.
Don't
Ow.
impale yourself on the lock.
That's exactly what I did, buddy. Ow.
Just where the seat would be, yeah, and then just
Jesus Christ.
don't step on anything that can bend.
Jesus Christ, bro.
Engine-wise, I have two 400 small blocks and then three 350 small blocks.
Andy, why won't it start?
Hold up, let me bang the starter real
Oh, okay.
quick. Then I have two transmissions, a turbo 400 and a turbo 350.
Is that Connor's?
Yeah.
Wow.
And then all those boxes are Monte Carlo parts.
Can I have vape in here?
No.
Oh, heck. This thing sucks. 45, you can have it.
No. No.
Can you explain to me what that is?
That is a hood to a yacht.
Go put your arms up next to it. Let's see the wingspan of Andrew. Jesus Christ.
Mind you, I'm like 5'11" and I'm standing next to the hood.
I need 5'11", 6 foot. Okay.
I cut my dick off with this chainsaw.
It doesn't work. We tried it today.
Oh damn!
But
It's not
we
just my
can-
idea.
Where is it? We can freeze your dick.
Oh yeah. When's the last time that was checked? This is unsafe.
Today.
Yeah, you can freeze my
I took it into the field and I found a mouse.
Oh, there's mice in the field. I should bring my BB gun.
That's near the BB gun in the house.
God dang it! It froze again. It's not funny, buddy.
Don't you love when your ring's so rusty that your ring doesn't fit on it anymore?
Pound it. I can see you already tried it. Oh damn, Andy with the Timberlands.
Wolverines.
Okay, close enough. I pull in Boobaroo.
Yeah. What's this?
Yeah.
AC.
Oh, never mind. This is the brake booster.
That's brake booster. This is AC.
Ah. Anyways, we're gonna bondo this. You can't really see. But I forgot sandpaper. Oh, there we go. That's the ticket. You can see inside my fender. Hello, here's my trunk. F.
Content.
Yeah, that's exactly why I got the GoPro out. Here's my new ej350.
It's an ej350, alright.
Okay, and we're done putting it back together. I need to make an outro. Oh, damn thick. I need to make an outro just so I can do some fuck shit with it. You ever seen the not the automatic, the pneumatic spring catcher thingies?
Yes.
I use them in tech. They're actually really cool.
I'm pretty proud about it. Oh.
Kristen, the EJ.
What do you?
EJ is blown.
SBC 350.
I hope you do realize that if you do vlog this, you need to name it ej350 build. So if you get all the views, because I don't get shit. I have one sub, and that's me.
We might have a problem.
You're trying to tighten it? Yeah, that's a problem.
Left.
You're trying to tighten it.
Left.
You're tightening it.
Either way, it won't move.
Okay, well kick it, buddy.
Either way, it's not gonna move.
F. Okay, that's the end. Goodbye. So it just cascades upward. That's because it's warm. Oh. Me too, honestly. Use a tire ring.
No, those are not. There we go.
Oh, you got it?
I think.
I clouded out the camera. Look, and you got it. Imagine if you tried tightening it and you snapped it like my bleeder valve. Show me that one-handed action, buddy. One-handed.
I fucking keep flipping the switch.
Yo, I have a wrench like that.
I definitely chose pouring jackets tonight because I'm wearing a white Tommy windbreaker.
Oh, I'm just wearing a sweater and shorts.
Yeah, did you not realize this garage is not heated?
No, I thought we were just coming. I thought I was coming to visit. And I took all the 3 jackets out of my car yesterday. So I'm like, oh, it's getting warm out.
This garage is heated. You just gotta believe it's heated.
The light will heat us.
Fuck no, it won't.
The EJ will. The actual EJ.
That one's stuck.
I'm sure you're going the right way. No, I'm talking like. Could make a harbor. We could make a Harbor Freight run and just get a $6 ratchet.
This is S&E $6 ratchet, thanks to Connor.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's Connor's. Never heard of S&E until that, or S&S it looks like.
S&S, I guess. Is that Snap-on? Oh, no, it's Mac.
Mac. Insert cars. Mac!
Mac! Mac! Wait up! Mac! Mac! Mac!
Connor, if you're watching this, your ratchet sucks dick.
Connor, if you're watching this.
Film any of me dissecting my 350 bow?
I just started filming again, buddy.
Oh.
All the way over here because the GoPro needed to be charged. Anyways, since I decide what happens with this money, we're making it into a stance build.
That's a lie.
No. Because if you look, hello EJ, hello EJ. Look it, you can fit anything in here. Like,
Yeah, I'm gonna get fucking 22s.
okay. 20-inch blades on the Impala. I'm a baller. Wait, no, I said that wrong.
Impala.
Shot caller, 20-inch blades on the Impala. Insert Snapchat here.
Wanna be a baller, shot caller, 20-inch blades on the Impala. Caller, get laid tonight.
You have that saved?
I think I do.
I'll send it
I
to
have
you.
it from you and Robbie.
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
And, well, update because it loses battery quick as hell. We got 2 more on this side. This wrench is smaller.
1, 2, 3, 4 more on this side with all the studs in the bottom.
Damn it.
Yeah, and all these are as stuck as the top ones. Except they're not coated in grease.
You have PV Blaster. I just use WD-40.
I don't have any type. Do you have like WD-40 or something in your car?
In my car, no. Like, I literally just cleaned it out of everything the other day. Because someone was interested in it. Like, oh, might as well clean it out.
Yeah, no. There's like nothing in this garage. Unless I want to clean it with carbon choke cleaner.
That's exactly what I have at my house. And we haven't used it in 10 years since we had the 65. He just defaced my alternator. That's a...
Stop! You have violated the law.
Oh.
Oh, that was easy.
Ainsley, if you're watching this...
She's not.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh, I thought I snapped it. I was going to be pissed.
I was gonna hit you in the head with this goddamn ratchet. You ain't snapping shit in this motor.
Yeah, see, and if I do snap shit, I can't leave. Because the button's there. My car's there. And my hood's open. And Andy's right here. Like... ej350s across from me.
Not an EJ.
Yeah?
The pistons aren't sideways!
Okay, what happens when I come in here one day? Because you leave the door unlocked.
I'll never leave the door unlocked.
And I cut this in half. And just weld it.
I wouldn't care
Like
because I
that.
have like 5 other blocks I can use.
Weld it like this. And melt EJ. Ka-chow.
I'll sell you a 350 block you can turn into an EJ.
I'll sell you an EJ22. You just gotta go
Or-
to the house.
Go that, get that 400 block right there.
Oh, okay, this one?
No, the one next to the door.
Oh.
That's my compressor.
I don't. I'm not fucking dumb.
You
Fir-
can,
wait.
you can buy that one.
First off, let's talk about this camber gang right here. They're all about this camber back in the 70s, 80s. Oh gee. Phone doesn't work, we already tried. That's my rapper name. Young Trap Phone.
Blinding me.
Blinded by the light. Mouse.
There's one mouse. Where? Dead?
No, mouse.
No,
House.
mouse.
Mouse
Yeah, mouse
house.
house. You should have seen all of this was insulation from the attic because the mice brought it down here. These are only torqued to 18 foot-pounds. They're still a bitch to get out because they haven't been out since like, I don't know, 10, maybe 20 years.
Damn, this GoPro's running like shit.
Don't you mean off-brand GoPro? Faux Pro?
HD 1080p action cam actually. This is the temperature in the garage right now. If you can look, it's a hair over 40, which
That one
is
doesn't
41.
work.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, it's 41 degrees in here. Ow, I blinded myself.
When it comes off.
Alright. Pull. Ooh. Crunchy.
Yeah, it's a little too crunchy.
Something came off on the other side.
What is this stuck on by? No,
What the fuck?
It's
Is it gasket maker?
I think so.
Let me get the OG
Yeah, get the knife.
the knife.
Get the knife. What is it stuck on by? Gasket maker.
No, it looks like there's a stud or something.
No,
Oh.
gasket maker. Oh no, it's a little stud
Yeah, that's what I was
and
looking at.
mixed with gasket maker,
Mixed with bird seed.
or yeah, whatever mouse brought in there,
Seed.
whatever the meese brought in there. No.
Put it. Oh, right here. EJ gang.
This is actually kind of heavy.
Me too.
Move. I'm gonna put it over. Right over y'all.
Yeet.
On this plastic wrap here.
All right.
Ooh.
When a free SRT4, a free STI, a free GT Mustang, or a free Bobby Shmurda.
What's the terms and conditions about Bobby Shmurda?
He's free, and he makes more music, and he can't go back to jail for at least another year.
Oh, where were you putting all these little bolts?
Over there.
Alright, did you
Second
line
one.
them up?
I did.
Okay. Yeah, you saw what I was going for
Yeah.
there. I think I'd have to go with... Stop, I look like a crimson chin.
Insert photo here.
I have to go with Bobby Shmurda. No, STI.
One GT Mustang and one STI.
Oh yeah, the cars then.
I'm saying get all of them. Trade them for Bobby Shmurda to make him buy me some. No, I was kidding. Free Bobby Shmurda. Say, yo, I paid for your bail. And then make him buy me them.
Into you some Hot Boys. It's my favorite song of his, Hot Boy.
That's his only song of his.
Nah, dog.
Yeah, well, what's up, guys? My name's Blicky. I got the Stiffia. Alright, update. I think my, no, I think Andy's grandpa likes me.
Everyone.
Okay, thanks, friend. We did get this off. I had my vape on my battery and I closed the hood so I can show his grandpa the shake test. And my mouthpiece landed in coolant and it tastes like shit. But you know what that means? Just don't lick your lips. That's what that means. I had to lick my lips. I'm so fucking dumb.
I just realized this block was orange.
No, it's red.
That's orange. That's orange.
Yeah, that's orange. You know, I'll donate you the other one to this garage. It came with 2 of them. I don't have enough batteries.
Okay.
So I'll grab that right now. In order to work on your car here, you need to donate something. I'll donate my light. Ow! BYOT. Bring your own tea. Haha. And no light. And no Harbor Freight light. Dead. Ow! Andy, what did you just ask?
What did you just ask?
What did you just ask?
Why are all the 10mm missing?
Ah! EJ, that's why. Here
I
you
was
go.
hoping you just pull out a goddamn handful. What batteries do these take?
AAA.
Oh.
Yep, there's my donation.
Yeah, now you can work on your car. Here, I'll give you an hour.
My legs are starting to get cold, but they're not. You went over there for something. We'll check over there.
I went to go get a rag and look at my phone.
Oh yeah, watch me vape. That's so funny. Please like, comment, subscribe. Oh, also, Andy is starting a YouTube channel.
What are you in the mood for? Head. Oh, I just farted. Oh, really? Yeah. What are you in the mood for?
Did you save that?
I did.
Please send that to me so I can save it.
Fuck this car. I hate it so much.
Me
And
fingies
maybe
are
you should
cold.
buy a boat.
Ah, boat! You mean a Subaru?
Fuck your Subaru. Get a boat.
Oh,
Get a boat.
What's your YouTube channel gonna be called? Andrew
I think
Baum.
it's just
Andrew Baum Gaming.
What? I think it's fucking Andy Baum right now.
Herobrine 224.
Yeah, that.
Yes.
I need to recover the cylinder wall.
This thing sucks.
You know what else sucks?
A vacuum.
Ass handle.
Oh. I love the
Yeah.
stale air. Cold, stale air.
Parts 350 from a 74 350 barrel. I don't know what it is from. It's from a 74. It's a 354 barrel. But actually, this motor's nicer than that motor. Fuck. Even though
74 Chevy van.
oh, it is from a van. I couldn't read that.
How? It says van.
It says va.
No, that's an N.
Like what's barely anymore. But I might use this intake.
I was
actually.
thinking that it's the 4-barrel. I believe it's time to go.
It
My
is.
my predicament, if I keep the window down, I can go to the drive-thru and get a Shamrock Shake. But if I put the window up, I'll be warm. The survey says you're lucky this thing is far zoom.
Good.
It's got like a 270 fisheye or something. Oh, okay. Okay.
Hey, there's an angry Tweety bird on your hood.
Hey, you got you that.
Yansley.
Yeah.
Now she's gotta watch.
Hey.
Thanks for watching for us to do something about Subaru, but we just started working on a boat.
Oh, god damn it, my rust is exposed now.
Too bad I have absolutely jack shit in this garage.
Wait, your grandpa said that he'll check if he had sandpaper and he went to bed.
I mean, he's like, I think he's 65, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not bad. So I'm like, he doesn't look very old.
That
Actually, yes. Except he doesn't look like the Crimson Chin.
We've put side-by-side pictures of me and my grandpa on my dad's side and me and my grandpa on my mom's side, and we both look, like, way too similar. Like,
Is that mouse poop or is that grease?
It's grease.
Okay.
If it was mouse poop, I'd be crying right now.
Here's my donation. Ow. Welcome to Tetanus Garage.
The only thing tetanus in here is your fucking Subaru.
And
This
Trump.
thing's rust-free.
Oh yeah, show me.
No,
Show me.
don't
Show me.
open the trunk,
Show
don't
me.
open the
Show
trunk.
me. Here, I'll grab my donation. Oh, fuck. It has a magnet? Let me get the trusty light out. Lift up the gas. Oh my god. Rust free? Virtually rust free? Jesus Christ.
It's only the trunk floor, I promise.
And the gas tank.
Okay, that's not.
Oh, but that's
part
actually
of
really
the-
good paint.
Yeah.
Wow. Now it's even colder. God damn it.
Yeah, because I opened the garage so you can get your Subaru out.
Oh well, I'm going home. I gotta
Yeah.
follow you though.
Oh yeah.
No.
Pull your shit out though. So I can close the garage.
I gotta crawl in Gooks a Hazard style. What did you just say?
I said, get your piece of shit out of my garage.
No. You said why do Asian
I'm
people
leaving.
have
I'm leaving.
a Buckeye inside teeth? All right, well,
I check on my
I check on my penis. Crawling Gooks a Hazard style.
Teenage shock.
You are so dumb. I bet you got 1400 on SAT.
On your SAT.
Damn it, I hate this.
It's easy, dog.
Yeah.
Walk up, you throw one leg in, and then you throw the other leg in.
Ow. Oh. He sat right down on the fucking lever.
Yeah, I know.
He didn't notice it. It went up his butthole.
No, it actually stabbed my ass. You wanna
I know. I
hear
got
say
that.
sweet corn?
I got that on video.
Good. I hope you fucking did.
I did. I zoomed in right on it like that.
It didn't come with a horn.
Oh,
You trying to race Subaru versus boat?
you'll win. Okay, let's check. Oh, steering lock is on. God dang it! I always do this. I know. Okay, let's put up my window. it actually gonna go up? Is it actually gonna go up? Oh, you're so close, buddy. Fuck! No shamrock shake for me, but... Oh, yes.
Hey, Boboski!
Thanks for watching us come over to do something on Bo's Subaru, accomplish nothing to Subaru, and start working on my boat.
Big boat.
Okay, bye.